Hi everyone. The next question is a plastic road is wrapped with a cloth. So you can see here a plastic road and a cloth. The road and the cloth both become charged as electrons move between them. The road becomes negatively charged. So the road is becoming negatively charged. Which diagram shows how the road becomes negatively charged and shows the final charge on the cloth. So this rod is being wrapped with this cloth which is having both positive and negative ions. These negative ions will be getting transferred to this plastic rod. So it is becoming negative. And the leftover here it will be positive. So we can check here. This rod is negative. Here it is positive. But you can see the electron movement is from rod to the cloth. So it is wrong. So this case we can see the cloth is positive, rod is negative, and the electron movement is from cloth to rod. So the right answer is B. This is wrong, and this also will be wrong as the cloth is shown negative. We'll move to next question. Which particles move to cause current in a copper wire? We know current means it is the flow of electrons. So the current is due to the flow of electrons. So the right answer will be B. The electrons from the copper atoms is the responsible for the current in the copper wire. We'll move to next question. Four students draw a circuit diagram of the apparatus used to measure the resistance of resistor R. Which circuit is correct? So here we can see four diagrams. In that ammeter is connected, voltmeter is connected. So whenever you are going to connect an ammeter, so ammeter we are using for measuring current. So whenever you are connecting the ammeter, it should be connected in series for measuring current. And whenever you are connecting a voltmeter, voltmeter is used for measuring voltage. It needs to be connected in parallel. So we can see here the ammeter is connected in parallel. So this diagram is wrong. Here also ammeter is connected in parallel with this. So this circuit also it is wrong. Here the voltmeter is connected in parallel. Here also voltmeter is connected in parallel. So these two circuits are okay. But what is the question? We need to measure the resistance of resistor R. So we need to connect the voltmeter across this resistor R. Here you can see it is connected across R and potentiometer. So this also it is wrong. And your right answer is D. We need to connect the voltmeter across this resistor R. So we are going to next question. That is, the battery on a bicycle is connected in parallel to its lamp and bell. The circuit includes two switches S1 and S2. The cyclist closes S1 to light the lamp. So for lighting the lamp, S1 is being closed. She then also closes S2 to sound the bell. What happens to the current in the battery and power output from the battery when the cyclist closes S2? So what happens to current? So here you can see the current will be flowing first initially in this path. When he is closing S2, it will flow in this way also. So the current is getting added up. The current is increasing here. Okay. Then what happens to power? Power is equal to voltage into current. So as current increases, what will happen to power? It also will increase. So what is the right answer? Right answer is A. Current in the battery increases and power output from the battery also increases. So we move to next question. Which symbol represent an electric heater? So this is the symbol for fixed resistor. Next, this is the symbol for fuse. And this is the symbol for thermistor. And this is a symbol for electric heater. So the right answer is D. Next, a student connects the circuit as shown. Which switches must be closed for the bell to ring without lighting the lamp? So for the circuit to be closed, for completing the path, we need to close switch 1. So here, the light is not, we should not, without lighting the lamp, the bell should ring. So 2 is not required. So we'll not closing 2. So for bell to ring, we need to close 3. So 1, 3 should be closed. What will happen if you are closing 4? Suppose the 4 is closed, the circuit will become short. So you need not close 4. So the right answer is 1 and 3 should be closed. That is B. Next, a double insulated electric appliance must be connected safely to the electricity supply. Which statement is correct? So when you're connecting an electric appliance, we need to connect fuse. Fuse and earth wire is required, but here it is double insulated. So an earth wire is not required in this case. And the right answer is B. It can be connected with a fuse only. Next, a simple electric generator induces an electromotive force. Which modification would increase the induced EMF? So here, the EMF can be increased by increasing the number of turns, area of the coil, using a stronger magnet, rotating the coil faster. So these are the different methods for increasing the EMF. So here you can see first choice, increase the number of turns in the coil of the generator. So this option is correct. We can increase by increasing the number of turns.